Hi friends, this is an exciting program. We'll try to convert the speech to text and then use that to generate an image later on. Hi, good morning. Welcome to Data Pro. Okay, let us check out this speech spoken sentence. Oh, yeah, looks like it went well. So let us submit this one and hopefully this will be converted into text. Yeah, that's great. So it very clearly says, hi, good morning, welcome to Data Pro. So this is an example of the gradio framework for Flask like web user interfaces for colab like or any environments, either desktop or web based. It's a great one. It's a demonstration program given by Gradio.